Today we're pretty excited to launch our new drone technology that enables you, me and also our friends to capture our best rides in a really easy way.
Get ready, with Exo Plus you're going to be able to get the most amazing aerial footage anytime, anywhere.
Hey, what's up? It's Matt Trouble. Just tried today's Exo Plus. Super easy to use. Awesome project. That's the future.
Exo Plus. No pilot, no cameraman, and no headache. To get to this point, we have been working very hard over the past months with great and various people, engineers, designers, and pro riders, to create a product which is fast enough and adapted for action sports. We are transforming how people use drones in a safe and autonomous way. So you don't have to think on how the shot is being captured or how to pilot the drone, just focus on your moves.
Today our multi-rotor will fly around 70 kilometers per hour, and it will also have an endurance of about 15 minutes. And forward flight is what we're looking for in the application of the Exo Plus. We're not so much concerned about simple hovering, because hovering is boring. We want action sports.
Introducing a revolution in flight. 2 years ago, Zero Robotics introduced the Hover Camera Passport, the first flying camera of its kind. It won numerous design awards, led to a worldwide partnership with Apple Retail, and touched the lives of thousands. Now, after 2 years of research and development, from the lab to the sky, we're proud to present the next generation. Hover 2, the drone that flies itself. Hover 2 is the most intelligent, most complete flying camera the world has ever seen. Use OmniFollow to track your movements from the front, side, and back, with more stability and higher tracking precision, both made possible by the new AI. Track shots are flight presets inspired by classic filming techniques that help you capture epic clips of you and your friends. Cinematic themes on the Hover app include filters, music, and more to transform footage you just captured into shareable clips with professional appeal. To unlock the full power of aerial flight, enable blast-off mode. Uncaged and paired with the blast-off remote and accessories, Hover 2 responds with up to 23 minutes of flight time and a 5-kilometer range. Aerodynamics, agility, and finesse are also increased. Hover 2 is the easiest and most intuitive flying camera yet. The technology of the future, available today.
Imagine a pocket-sized drone that captures stunning aerial videos. A flying HD camera without the challenge of piloting a drone.
Hi, I'm Vernon, and we're the team that makes Microdrone.
In 2015, we had an idea for a palm-sized drone, the first of its kind. With your support, we smashed all our funding goals, which helped get Microdrone off to a flying start.
Microdrone 3.0.
we created tooling, worked with factories, started production, and shipped 32,000 drones all over the world.
We can't thank you enough for your support. We collected lots of useful feedback. Now we are ready to introduce the next generation drone. This is Microdrone 4.0.
Our mission is to make the world's coolest, smallest drone. With more sensors, upgraded camera, and a stabilizing gimbal, Microdrone 4.0 is the most advanced, easy-to-fly drone to date. We wanted to make it super easy to fly, so it can be used straight out of the box. Fitted with a high-quality Sony sensor, the image is crisp for improved video capture that's striking and clear. Microdrone 4.0 is no ordinary drone. A tiny 2-axis gimbal provides fluid motion that eliminates shake, giving you buttery smooth footage using both mechanical stabilization and EIS. It allows you to create cinematic filming techniques that excite and inspire. A compact foldable design means you can take it with you anywhere. On your travels, it conveniently stores away for when portability matters. We don't want anyone to miss a special moment. Take it out and 3 clicks gets you airborne in less than 5 seconds. It comes with a brand new app with advanced camera controls. We have completely redesigned the drone from the ground up with a brand new shape that's optimized for power and performance. Take your hands off the controls, and the technology inside Microdrone enables it to fly autonomously without any manual controls. The drone integrates powerful AI tracking that complements smooth, stable shots and flies fast enough to keep up with high-speed action.
Neurala creates artificial intelligence for drones. Our artificial intelligence is built directly on the phone that controls the drone. Beyond live track, we will bring even more AI to Microdrone 4.0. The ability for the drone to orbit around the object of interest at 360 degrees, and the ability to recognize the hand of the owner and land on it.
We're taking it to the next level in stability, size, affordability, and ease of use.
With development complete and prototypes extensively tested, with your support, we are now ready to start production, which will help create the most exciting, easy to use, and stable drone that anyone can fly. Thank you.
Help us to take this into production. The more funding we can raise, the more functionality, upgrades, and accessories we can add to the existing drone.
Flying on a paper airplane must be so magical. With your help, magical is about to become unfreaking believable. This is Shai, a pilot, an industrial designer, and an inventor. He is a world-known expert in cool stuff that flies. 2 years ago, Shai was challenged by his friend to create a smartphone-controlled paper airplane. Thanks to 21,000 backers on Kickstarter, he made it happen. People all over the world are now controlling paper planes from their smartphones with PowerUp 3. Shai proudly came back to his friend, and his friend said, "Wow, that is magical. But you can't put a live streaming camera on a paper airplane." Shai thought for a minute and said, "Challenge accepted." Now, after 2 years of testing and prototyping, meet Shai's new unfreaking believable invention. PowerUp FPV. The first ever paper airplane drone with a live streaming camera. Using state-of-the-art technology, PowerUp FPV lets you see what your plane sees. To put it in different words, you feel as if you are flying through the air, riding a paper airplane. Yes, PowerUp FPV makes your regular paper plane look like a kitty next to a lion, riding a T-Rex. Just take a piece of paper, fold it into a plane, and attach the module. Put your phone in the cardboard viewer, and you're ready to fly. The camera streams live video to an app on your very own smartphone sitting in the head-mounted goggles. To control your plane, just tilt your head lightly. And there's also a gamepad mode for when you feel like handheld control. PowerUp FPV's camera can swivel around. That's how you also get wing view and back view, so you can see this defining moment in your life. Look, it's you flying a power-up FPV. Shai wanted to create the most immersive real-time experience. That's why he partnered with the good folks at Parrot, world experts in wireless streaming and creators of the AR drone. With their help, PowerUp FPV streams live video over Wi-Fi from over 300 feet. To make the experience really smooth, PowerUp FPV has a ton of sensors and an onboard computer with real-world autopilot mode, making it nearly uncrashable. Nearly. PowerUp FPV is ready for production. So if you love flying and want to ride a paper airplane, back PowerUp FPV and help make what was once magical unfreaking believable.